Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, new day of the week. I just wanted to show you guys something before I start. You can always go on the trading view and let me just log in here. Okay. So here you can go on trading view and go on product, economic calendar, and see what's going on with the market. So we have at the 11:30 3 month bill auction. Remember last week caused some trouble in TNX. 6 months, 3 months, and then we have let me select America only. Um, two. So yeah, just click on America, apply. Yeah, so we have 3 months, 6 months, and then we have CPI, we have PPI, we have Fed members showing what time they're gonna talk, and we have PPI coming up, we got jobless claim coming, and so you can see all the event. Just wanted to show you guys this one. Anyhow, pre-market right now, what happened is on Friday, market was just crazy going up, and we got a outlook downgrade on the Moody did the outlook downgrade. They didn't downgrade the rating, they did the outlook. So it didn't go that much down, but overnight and futures last night we went lower and recovered, and right now again going lower. So pre-market right now, you can see here 5, 15, 30 is downward, 1 hour is downward. It's still 4 hour. TTM squeeze is bullish and not dead cross. If it dead crosses, not gonna be good. But daily MACD and weekly TTM squeeze, I like that this yellow bar. Daily MACD is upward, TTM squeeze is upward. So still we're in the market of buying the dip. But what's interesting is that this 44.2675 is a key level that we reached, and right now is seems like is wants to hover around it or consolidate around it. We'll see if it's gonna have a big breakout. 44.2675 on the ES, and we have almost the same thing on the SPX. NQ same thing. Pre-market 5, 15, 30 is downward. If you see market opens and then start jumping off 5 minutes MACD golden cross follows by 15 and 30, then we can go for another buy the dip and run up higher again. But for now, direction is downward a little bit. So again, NQ5 1530 is downward. 4 hour not dead cross yet, and we're still bullish on the TTM squeeze 4 hour daily and daily and the weekly. I like that we have yellow bars on the rise. I mean, decreasing bars on the yellow bar. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is still bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. RUT is just horrible. It went up crazier actually last week and at the beginning of the week, and then boom. I mean, just pulled back very hard. Um, Actually, I'm sorry. On Friday went crazy, and then Monday it start pulling back. And but this just small caps are far behind. They're so weaker in general, total together. Some names the small caps are running, but in general together they're not too much strong. Until you don't see a yellow bar on TTM squeeze, don't believe any run up on the small caps. All can be short terms. TNX. Passing 46.52 is not a good sign at all. If you remember last week on Thursday, when it jumped, the market got a big pullback and there was a red days. That was 46.52 was a key level. It went to it and it pulled back, and the next day, market went even crazier, which was Friday. And right now is passing that. So right now, ENX 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour is upward, and daily MACD not don't see any bullish on the daily, but weekly is not dead cross, so that's something to keep in mind. If the TNX 47 passes, we can go back again to 47.77 or 49.03. And remember, market the biggest reason market start running up crazy, yes, it was Powell, and then after that TNX pulled back. But if TNX goes for recovery to 49, then expect more pullback in the market. So just keep an eye on 47. If you see today goes below 46.52 and you see 5, 15, 30 MACD dead crosses, then again can market rip up higher. DXY. Nothing special happening on daily, just up and down. Pre-market again, not clear solid direction between 105.492 and 105.985, just up and down. Week 7% green, and that's not really good. pre-market not clear direction 15, but 30 1 hour is upward, so it's all about 1526. If you see 1526, 1586 passes, can give a can go for a bigger run up to the higher levels. But if it goes below 1479, again a squeeze up on market. Daily we don't have yellow bar. Once we have a yellow bar, then we have to be even more cautious. Still daily's direction is downward. Weekly don't have a dead cross yet, but if once a dead cross can get even more interesting. Below 1479, we can go to 1373, 1307. As I mentioned, we are in the critical point right now on indexes, and it's all about CPI tomorrow, so we'll see what's gonna happen. SPX, my expectation was 44.2219 to hit on Friday, but it got close to it 4 points and then didn't hit it. And right now is opening red. So two key levels to watch today is 43.92.5 and 44.2219. If it goes for a run up, that's the target. And if it passes above, next targets for this week is 44.64, 45.18.29. I doubt 40. I mean, I don't want to say 45.18 is not coming this week, but it needs a lot of catalysts to get there. Just keep in mind, here's one thing. JP Morgan sold 4,500 call December. So if we do go above 4,500 and higher, then the algos, they have to, it's gonna be a complicated situation. They have to sell a lot. At the same time, JP Morgan call a call, it can go into the loss. And it depends how much it goes up. I mean, they can still be even if it goes to, I think, 45.50 or 44.60. But if it goes crazy high, they can go into a huge loss. Anyhow, 43.92, if it can hold it back to 43.62.81. And BTC is still bullish, and the weekly daily MACD is not dead cross, but the 4 hour is dead cross, so establishing a range for now. Apple 4 hour MACD is dead crossing. It's just two key levels to watch is 185.21, 186.45. If it passes 186.45, we're looking at higher level 188, 190, 191.7. If it goes below 185.21, retest 183.97, 183.2 pre-market. Right now 5:15:30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hours dead cross. So if it passes 185.21, does have potential to retest lower level. Still very bullish on daily and weekly of yellow bar, so it does have a chance for a dip and run up again. Amazon 4 hour been downward, and it's not even on Friday. It didn't golden cross, but it's very bullish on daily and weekly. So it's inside the range right now between 140 and 143. Need a breakout either way for a stronger run up. So 143.12, if it passes that one, can run up to the higher level 145.71, 148.3. Those are the next major level. But if it goes below 141.52, 139.48 can get retest. Below 131.48, then it can get dangerous. But until then, every dip is a buy. Nvidia, it went up to 1487.99. That's a major level I have. It went yeah, it hit it actually down to the penny. That's nice. So it hit it pre-market, but then right now it's pulling back. 4 hour did that cross on Thursday, but then it got golden cross on Friday, and right now it's just going up and down. Pre-market right now 5:15:30 is downward. 1 hour is dead cross, so it's all about two key levels to watch. 480 mental level and 487.99. If it passes 487.99, we're looking for run up to 489, 491, 493.88. If it goes below 480 mental level, I can retest 474.61 easily. And if it goes below 474, it can be in trouble. But Nvidia is on a bull run. Doubt it sees big drop or big pullback. The only thing that can this pullback, this one very big, is Biden or any AI news or stuff like that. AVGO was crazily running, as I mentioned. This name is hot, and I added to my main watch list, and it's new all-time high. And right now is all about the 960. 960.48, that's a 960 mental level. If it passes 966.03, it's possible to come. Above that, sky is the limit. 1040.97, that's the next target. But anyhow, pre-market right now 5:15:30, 1 hour is downward. If the 1 hour dead crosses, it's possible we retest 946, 940. If it goes below 940, it can go retest lower level. But it's very, very bullish on 4 hour daily and weekly. So it's possible to retest maybe 940 or maybe a little bit lower. Then it runs up again. So keep an eye on the 15 and 30. If you see 5, 15, 30 make back the golden cross and run up again. Baba, um, nothing exciting. It's all about 83.43. It's just this President Xi visiting America and stuff that's helping it. 83.43 is a key level to watch there. If it passes that one, we're looking at 84.45, 85.76 there. Netflix, it did go for a breakout on Friday. The news, the strike and stuff. So 446.77, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 448.49, 451.26, 454.04. 4 hours still bullish on the TTM squeeze. MACD 4 hours on the golden cross mode, and you can see here weekly MACD is about to golden cross. If that one confirms and passes 450, sky is the limit there. Pre-market 5 minutes MACD is about to golden cross, so keep an eye on Netflix. If you see 1530 MACD golden cross passes 448, the high of Fridays, it can go even higher to 450 at minimum. Meta was breaking out on Friday, but it wasn't too much powerful. Pre-market right now 5 15:30 is downward, 1 hour is dead cross, and again, two key levels to watch is 324, 327. So if it goes below 324 and can go back to retest 320, 317, 29, if it reclaims 327 and you see 515 MACD golden cross passes 327, we can go to 331, 335, 82. I don't like it that it's too much bearish on 15 and 30 pre-market. Tesla, Tesla 1530 is kind of flat. Is opening up 2 points almost higher, and pre-market right now 5 minutes MACD is dead cross. It's all about 216.8, and the key level to watch is 219.26. It's possible to open. There was some positive news over the weekend. It's possible to open at the open to have some jump, and if it jumps and passes 219.26, then it can go for a valid run up. 219.26 pass, we're looking at next main target is our 220.94, 223.67, 226.39. I like that the 4 hour pre-market is golden crossing, and daily MACD is still upward, and we have yellow bar. The only problem I have with Tesla is the weekly. That's what it's causing the weakness. The weekly charts are still bearish. So what that means that every time it gets a jump up, there is a possibility and chance for a pullback and sudden sell-off. So that's something you want to keep in mind. Until you don't see a yellow bar and the TTM squeeze on the weekly or MACD curves up, that chances is still there that goes up. We went to 20s to 26 and pull back. So just keep that in mind. Every Tesla, whenever Tesla play these days, until you don't see a yellow bar on the weekly, there is a possibility of chance. 232, that's a key level to watch. 232 passes, we can go for a crazy run up. Until then, just gonna be a lot of roller coaster there. Microsoft made a new all-time high on Friday. It's all about 369.89. Passes that one. Next target is 375.76. 4 hour is about to dead cross. Daily and weekly is still very bullish. It's all about 375 for today. Right now 1530 is downward, so 365.29, that's the support to watch. If it can hold it, a small chance 362, 358, 50, 58, 81. But again, watch 15 and 30. If you see 1530 MACD golden cross, another run up comes there. Google is in the category of weak names. Yes, it's been running up. It came to 131. It's almost getting close to recover all the losses pre-earning. But keep in mind, the earning wasn't that good. So if market gets weak, this one can go in the category of, this one can go for a pullback bigger than other ones. So 131 if you can hold it, 130.82, 130.04. If you see, right now pre-market 5 to 1 hour is downward, 4 hour not golden cross yet. I need to pass 132.71 for run up to 134.15 and 135.59. AMD did a breakout on Friday. It's all about 118.73. Passes that is strong. We're looking at 119.83. Friday high was 119.7. So 119.83, that's the next major level. If it passes that one, we're looking at 121.6, 123.37. It's still 4 hour bullish, daily, weekly bullish. All we need is 1530 MACD golden cross and jump up. Again, because the 1530 is downward, next support is 117.48. If it can hold it, 116.24, 115.47. But at some point, most likely today, it's possible to have a reversal. It's all about CPI tomorrow again. That's the biggest effect on market. Boeing, as I mentioned, 1 hour golden cross and runs up. Finally got to my target, 203.11. Right now, 205.2. That's a key level to watch. Passes that one. We're looking at 208.57, 211.95. Daily bullish, and you can see here 5 is bullish. 15 already got a dead cross, but it's all about 205. If you see 205.2 passes, 15 minutes MACD golden cross, it can jump up to 11.95 easily today. SPY up and down, went down because of the downgrade, then when recovered, and at 8:30 it start pulling back. So if it can hold 439.24, next support is 438.58, 437.77, 437 if it can hold it, back to 436.45. Again, pre-market 5:15:30 is downward. So if you see golden cross on the 15 and 30 minutes MACD, 439.9 passes, we're looking at 440, 442, 442.03. QQQ, same thing. 5 to 1 hour is downward, 4 hours not dead crossed yet. So 376.88 if you can hold it, 376.2, 375.1, those are the next support. Need to get above 377 and 377.99 for run up to next level, which is 378.77, 379.77. And again, all about CPI. What else you got here? LLY was a strong to the close on Friday. It gapped up open to this morning, but then it started pulling back. So this one, it seems like it's going into the sell the news. Wait for the next 4 hour MACD golden cross, so 4 hour yellow bar. Then it can go for another run up. What else you got here? LRCX was monster running on Friday. No volume pre-market, so hard to tell what's gonna happen. But keep an eye on it. Open on that one. Airbnb was very strong on Friday, but not so strong pre-market. Let me see what else you got here. That's pretty much it. Let me just look at my scanner. Nothing special. GS. Just one volume here. So anyway, that's pretty much it. As always, please, the least you can do is like my video, and if you can, if you like, you can chartwiser.com for levels. If you like, you can join sale option service, and have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in.